We are attending here 21st Java International Day.
This is the Indian twin version 350cc. They tried to compete with the Royal Enfield category, but they couldn't.
It's also a twin, yeah. It's a twin cylinder. So ये इंडिया में आई थी.
It came with a bigger drums. Okay, this is not the original one. The brake drum is not there. And this is the imported Java.
ये दोनों के इंजन में डिफरेंस
This
है.
is TS 350.
And this is a 350 only.
You can see the top to down. Comes below the footsteps.
Yeah, made in Mysore. It's written here.
See the same thing imported. There's the difference.
अच्छा ये जावा का ओरिजिनल ड्रम है.
जो लॉन्च जो हुई थी ना ESD 350, this is the original drum.
काफी बड़ा है. चंदर सर, he is a legendary biker and a racer.
Right now, on my left is Mr. Adil Darukanwala.
He just call me Adil na, Mr. and Adil Darukanwala.
Adil he's launching a book very shortly, which he's kept it as a top secret. 100 years of motor racing in India, and as it is Mr. Ashish, who has been doing a lot of greening the country. That's all I can say.
That's very needed, and it's a laudable thing. Only bikers can push this sort of thought around to get the environment up and running in its real entirety. Now, okay, let me tell you that this is C.K. Chinnappa, one of the country's greatest riders from the 70s, 80s. He still races in the mine, and I'm his friend, fortunately. Otherwise, I would not have been here in Bangalore. This guy has made the whole country his playing ground, and considering that you bikers have a laudable project where you use Nano to go and plant trees all over, he being a son of the soil, a farmer, and so it is so good. Bikers can really take this environmental message to places.
1984.
1984. This is क्या क्या. It's from the South Africa. He is staying in India.
Sa, 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 sa,